I've been trying to hook with a lot of niggas. Try to feed some niggas. I ain't get them all, but I'm still cool with my niggas. I'm a best kill these niggas. Put them down, then you go up. My tricks sound like mail. Kill the niggas, scared turkey. Where I wanna go up, go down is your own choice. Me and my nigga keep smoking. Let me spread some love for you. Let me know change my life. There's no change by people live around us. My nigga, let me show you love. Show you love. This song is for you. Let me show you love. Show you love. Show you love. Let me show you love. Show you love. Yeah.
Man, I do rap. 2017, now we go up. 2016, never done anything. I told my friend that I'm quitting music, he said I'm quitting life. Nobody wanna stay on my way. I'ma eat it like a dinner on my plate. Hate if I got a hate, but I never talk stupid thing. Fuck what you say. Since 2014, there's a G, ain't no game to play. JJ told me get a leaf flame. Young Dread with a whole beauty, never get lame. Falcon with a leaf flame. My friend encouraged me to do this. Fake friends, it made me strong and hustle hard. RIP to my nigga, Smoke, I do miss